If you're looking to unlock the incredible power of AI and take your daily life to the next level, then you've come to the right place. In this mind-blowing video, I'm about to introduce you to some absolutely amazing AI tools that will revolutionize the way you live, work, and play. You know, artificial intelligence has come a long way, transforming our lives and streamlining our everyday tasks. And I bet you've all heard about the sensational Chatgpt, right? It was the talk of the town just a few months ago. Well, that got me thinking, what other groundbreaking AI tools are out there waiting to be discovered? So I dove headfirst into the realm of AI and I unearthed some incredible gems that will blow your mind. These tools are true game changers, my friends. They'll supercharge your productivity, boost your income, unleash your creativity, and believe it or not, some of them even have the ability to clone you. Can you imagine that? Now buckle up and get ready to witness the future unfold before your very eyes. But before we dive in, here's a friendly reminder to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video on how to build your wealth online. All right, my friends, let's jump right into it. Tool number 1, Compose.ai. It is a tool that is similar to ChatGPT, but I use it mainly to answer my emails for me. We all know that time is money, so if you don't have enough time to answer your emails, or if you work as a customer support agent or any other job that requires answering a lot of emails, this tool is crazy and will help you answer emails in a very professional way. And the best part is that it is 100% free. First, I will head to Compose.ai. I will also leave the link below this video. Now you need to add Composed AI Chrome extension to your Chrome browser, and it will be ready to help you type anything you want. So now I will show you how simple it is to use it. I will go to my Gmail account. As you can see, I received a very long email, and maybe I don't have the time to read it and send a reply. So what I will do now is either I will choose some of these little buttons here to give simple short answers, which will give the AI tool a quick idea of your reply, and it will read the email and send a coherent reply based on what you choose and the email it read. Or you can come over here and type something like, tell the sender that I will be busy over the weekend and that we can talk about the business proposal next week. What the tool will do now is read the email and making sense of it. Then it will create a response to that, taking inspiration from what I just typed to it, and then I can click enter to insert it, and here you have it, read and answered your email in just a few moments. And the more you use the tool, the more it learns your style of typing and answering emails, and later it becomes more and more like you and will answer emails just like you do, but just in a few moments. I promise you it will get even crazier, so stay till the end of the video for more mind-blowing AI tools. Tool number 2. This next tool I am going to show you is the next level of crazy. It can do some mind-blowing things that you won't even believe, so you can play around with it and see how much it's gonna make your work a lot easier. This tool is called RunwayML. You can create a free account and use some of these amazing features. As you can see, there is a portrait generator, animal generator, but the most mind-blowing feature is this one down here. It is called in-painting. You can use this feature by taking a video. For example, this one here. If I want to use the background video without this guy, maybe I want to add myself parachuting on this same background video. So what I will do is that I will paint over this guy. It doesn't need to be perfect or exact, just rough painting on him. And now he disappeared from the whole video. Can you believe it? And here's an example of how I use this feature. If I recorded a video and I forgot my phone and the charger wire, which looks unprofessional, I don't have to reshoot the video. I will just paint on the phone and charger wire, then give it some time to remove it from my video. And as you can see, the phone and wire disappeared, formed the whole shot. Amazing, isn't it? And there are a lot of other features that will blow your mind. Take your time exploring it and make your work and tasks easier. Tool number 3. Have you ever been in a situation where you need a presentation ready and you didn't have enough time to prepare a good presentation? Don't worry, because this next AI tool will blow your mind. This tool is called Tome, and what it does is that it prepares a very professional presentation for you if you don't have enough time to prepare one, and it does it in just minutes. First, I will sign up using my Google account, then I will choose the free plan, which is amazing so we can experience its potential. Now, I will choose to create a new presentation, and I will type the title of the presentation I need. Let's type something like, The Future of AI Tools. Now give it a few minutes and it will produce an amazing presentation with very professional key points and amazing pictures, as you can see. And don't worry, it is 100% plagiarism free. You can edit any point that you would like to add to it, maybe change format, or even add a whole new text. It is your creative playground, so take your time with it and prepare your presentation in just a few minutes. Tool number 4. When you talk about the next level of craziness, you must be talking about this tool. It is a tool that is used to create people. Yes, as you heard, this tool is used to create AI people who speak for your videos. You can upload your image and turn it into a talking avatar, or you can create one from scratch using AI on this amazing tool. The tool I'm talking about is DID. Maybe you want to create a YouTube channel and you don't want to get in front of the camera, so all you need to do now is to create an AI version of yourself and make it do all the work for you. The avatars are great and their lips move with the speech, so let's try it now. So first I will sign up and take 20 credits for free, then I will create a video. This AI tool has an amazing feature. You can use one of their avatars or create one using the AI technology they have. So I will choose to create an AI presenter here. For example, I want to create a cartoony avatar for a kid's channel, so I will type something like a fantasy queen with long hair and a beautiful pink dress, then press generate. Now I will give the AI technology time to produce an avatar for me. It will provide you with 4 models, and you can choose the ones you like, or keep generating more if you don't like the current suggestions. For the sake of the video, I will choose this one. Now, it is time to type the script that the AI presenter will say. This tool has an amazing AI script generator similar to Chatgpt, so if you wrote the first few lines of your script, click here on the magic wand, and the AI generator will generate the rest of the script for you according to the first sentences you wrote. Here you can choose the language and the voice that you prefer. You can listen to the voice from here, and if you like it, press generate video. Now give the video a few minutes to be generated, and when it is done, you can open the video by clicking on it. Now let's listen to it.
Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a Minecraft server on a Raspberry Pi 3. First, you will need to install the Raspbian Lite OS on your Raspberry Pi 3. Once you have installed Raspbian Lite, connect your Raspberry Pi to the internet.
Amazing. But what if you want to use an AI presenter from the ready-to-use ones on the tool? Let's choose this one. Now I will write the first few sentences of the script again. I will choose the language, the voice, and the tone. I will click Generate Video, then I will give it a few minutes to generate the video. Now let's open the video and see the result.
In this video, I will be talking about AI tools and how they can be used in business. There are a number of AI tools that can be used in business, and the most popular ones are machine learning algorithms and natural language processing. Machine learning algorithms are
amazing, and you can use it on your business videos or on your YouTube channel. And there you have it, hustlers. We've come to the end of our exhilarating journey into the realm of mind-blowing AI tools. But before we part ways, I'd love to know in the comments section below which of these incredible AI tools blew your mind the most and how you envision using it in your own business. If you found this video helpful, my fellow hustlers, please take a quick moment to show your support by smashing that like button. Your support means the world to me and helps me grow this amazing community. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the cutting-edge money-building strategies I share in my weekly videos. Together, we'll unlock the path to building lasting wealth. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.